I can't resist this dessert. Cut out a large circle from the puff pastry using a lid. Prick the dough with a toothpick. Place on the tray and bake for 25 minutes. Pour milk into the saucepan. In the bowl with egg yolks, add sugar, starch, vanilla extract, and mix well with the whisk. Pour the mixture into the saucepan. Boil the pastry cream, stirring continuously. Add butter and mix well. Mix the cooled cream with whipped cream. Divide into 2 bowls. Add Nutella to 1 bowl and mix the cream. Put the Nutella cream over the puff pastry base and spread evenly. Take another sheet of puff pastry. Cut out circles from the dough of the same size. Cut the baking paper. Place the dough on the baking tray. Prick with a toothpick and bake for 25 minutes. Cover the cream with the dough. Add a layer of white cream. Cut another circle of dough into triangles and bake for 25 minutes. Cut grapefruit into thin slices and put into the teapot. Add lemon slices, orange, ginger, blend the fruits. Pour in grapefruit juice, orange syrup, honey. Fill the teapot with hot water. Mix powdered sugar with egg whites and lemon juice. Cover the pastry triangles with glaze. Decorate with melted dark chocolate. Go over with a sharp tip. Cover the cake with the decorated pastry triangles. Spread the edges of the cake with the Nutella cream. Sprinkle with almond flakes and chill for 1 hour. This impressive cake, with 2 generous layers of fine cream, cannot be missing from festive tables.